There's a reason why electric vehicles are now more popular.
Day 3 of asking people around BGC about their job, part 1. What's your job?
I'm a marketing specialist at Nissan Philippines. Right now, I'm supporting both product and events. Usually, if we have a motor show, I'm doing the background like preparation of units, checking of logistics. And then for product naman, what I do is doing the spec sheets, the technical stuff,
How long have you been working in that job?
almost 7 years.
What's your course?
Graduated with the course of AV Communication, but because cars is my passion, so I also took automotive technology.
Oh wow, where did you take that?
AV Communication is in De La Salle University, Dasmariñas, but the Automotive Technology is in Rogationist College in Silang, Cavite.
What's the pros and cons that you have in your job?
It's really loaded. We have a lot of things to do right now, especially with the preparation of a lot of big events. But the pros is really I have this first-hand information about new cars, which I really love.
What is your thought about the gas increase right now? Did it affect the marketability of your cars?
The prices of fuel really dictates the availability and in the market for cars, mainly because there's a reason why electric vehicles are now or electrified vehicles are now more popular because they tend to consume less fuel. I'm a car enthusiast. I still love the rumble and the smell of gasoline. In terms of practicality, of course, I think we need to start adapting to these new technologies. But of course, the care point there is, of course, the sustainability.
Would you recommend your job to anyone else?
Oh yes, definitely, because it's fun, especially for those who really are into cars, even though it's hard. But because of working with cars, you're enjoying everything about it.